How to change Windows 10 language from Chinese to English. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow if you want to do so. But let's just dive right into the video and get started. So for that, what we can do is we can open up our settings. So open up the settings application for now and go to the option for time and language. This one right here. Once we open it up, what we need to do is we need to look out for this option called language and reason and click on it. And here under the language option, we have Windows display language. All we gotta do is select the option of your language for, English. So choose up English language or click on this add a language option and go ahead and select the preferred language, which you are, for example, English. So select English and go ahead and click on next and follow the instructions and go ahead and apply it up, and that will be available on your screen. If the English language is not installed, what we need to do is we need to search for English, as I said, by clicking on add a language and install it. And you can set it as display language. You can click on the three dot and look out for this option of you should be finding an option of setting it as a display language. If you have more than one language here, you can click that option and that should do it. Once it is done, you can sign out and again go ahead and basically restart your laptop or your PC to apply up the changes, and that should do it for you. And that's it. You just need to follow this method. It's pretty easy if you want to do so. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.